Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I've already gone to the market and did my grocery shopping for the week. Picked up a little extras because you never know what's going to happen during the week or in the future. Yeah, sorry, being philosophical this morning. I've only had one cup of coffee. I need coffee, stat. All right. Last night, I prepared cowboy butter chicken linguine. Oh, very good. 4 to 5 stars. I added a few things. I just thought it was a little So I added about a half a pound of baby bella mushrooms quartered. I added some onion, half a yellow onion, basically a rough chop. And some Morita chipotle chili powder. Oh, it just added just a little bit of smokiness. Worked well with the paprika. Must try. Very good. Very, very good. Tonight, garlic butter beef and spinach tortellini. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. It's like deja vu. The same Dutch ovens as yesterday. One for the tortellini and the other one for the beef mixture. I'm going to be halving this recipe from the original. So I got a half pound of ground beef. I mean, I haven't worked with ground beef in a while. Ground beef, a little bit of oil, some kosher salt, black pepper, some butter. Got to have butter for a butter recipe. Today is garlic day. I used the last of it yesterday in yesterday's dish, so it's garlic day. I picked up some 4 cheese tortellini. You're probably thinking to yourself, well, where does the spinach come in? There's the spinach. The spinach is added towards the end. Some beef stock, some Italian, I'm using my Italian seasoning blend. It's actually an herb blend. Possibly some red chili flakes. Some fresh flat leaf Italian parsley, and a sprinkle of Parmesan. So this is the goodies for tonight's meal. Food processor's all ready to go for the garlic. Late evening, evening-ish, yesterday, I just launched yesterday. Again, need coffee. I'm selling on the website, or you can contact me directly, Indian spice blend samplers. It's the top 6 Indian spices sold here in the United States. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, la mirch, which is the red chili powder, black pepper, and ginger. You can either get it in all powder, all ground, basically ready to use, or you could get it in what I call the whole pack. Basically the turmeric and the ginger and comes still in powder. So is the red chili, but basically the cumin and the coriander and the black peppercorns. All these spices have a unique taste to their own to India. Coriander, Mediterranean coriander and Indian coriander are not the same. Just that's as an example. Same thing with black peppercorns. What's sold here in the United States, about 85%, is one particular type. So what they grow and sell in India or Mexico or Europe, they're all different. Yeah. So check out the website. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.